Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to install NVIDIA app. In the Google search NVIDIA app and you will find the first link to download the NVIDIA app. So this is the website for downloading the NVIDIA app. So what is NVIDIA app? What is NVIDIA app? It is essential companion for PC gamers and creators. So if you are a gamer or the creator, you can use the NVIDIA app for optimizing your games and applications. So let's download by clicking on download now button. Download is started and it is around 148 MB. Click on the exe file. Now the installation is started. The current version is 11.0.3.241. Preparing to install. Upgrade. Agree and continue. It is preparing to install. Now it is installing. NVIDIA app is successfully installed and now it is showing another window. So this is the graphic interface of NVIDIA app. Optimize games and creative applications. Click next. Redeem the exclusive rewards. For now I can skip to app. Scanning for programs. In the driver section we can see the drivers. I have GeForce Game Ready driver. I can download and install.